about question sentence in the future tense. Before starting our lesson, let's check you first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with a gesture. When I say teach, you say okay. This means you have to teach me. Let's get to it. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Verb can show the time of action. Present tense, past tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. So, make is a bonus. This is a present tense. Last lesson we learned about how to make a future tense. So, to make a future tense, we use will before the verb. So we can say may will in a bonus. So today we're gonna learn about how to make a question sentence in the future tense. So as you see here, will comes before the subject. Simple. Alright, class. Here, to make a question sentence in the future tense, will comes before the subject. Can you teach me? Teach. To make a question sentence in the future tense, will comes before the subject. Well done. Right, so for example, will May eat a banana? How to answer? Yes, she will. No, she will not. This is a yes-no question. What about 5W1H question? What will May put on? Will comes before the subject. How to answer? What will May put on? You can answer. She will put on a hat. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.